In the whole recycling, packaging, recycling process, actually retailers can play and should play a very important role, and they're happy to be involved. Are we engaging them enough? And that's again a call to all of us in manufacturing. And with the government, it has to be very much about partnership. Many of us represent multinational companies here. Many of us are representing, of course, local companies. And are we bringing in the best of global and local to the governments here? I shared earlier about what we are doing in the area of sustainability. There is a lot of knowledge that we can bring and which we are bringing through our research and development efforts. So how do we bring this knowledge here? How do we join hands between public and private? And again, use the government, take the help from the government in these recycling efforts as well. If we work with the retailers, if we work with the government, together we can deliver a much better solution and a much sustainable solution to our consumers. And there is a need for us to come together to fill this need for sustainable products, for waste management, recycling, circular economy, and above all, a healthier eating portfolio for our consumers.